Hello everyone, welcome to System of Rules. Today we are going to discuss what are the difference between substantive law and procedural law. Substantive law deals with the rights, duties and liabilities of the citizens. In the case of procedural law, deals with the process of litigation. According to substantive law, it enables citizens to understand their rights. In the case of procedural law, it gives the citizens the means to achieve their rights. According to substantive law, it is that portion of law which concerns the purposes and subject matter of litigation. In the case of procedural law, it governs the process of litigation and relates to the action of civil and criminal proceedings. According to the substantive law, it deals with the ends which the administration of justice seeks. In the case of procedural law, it deals with the instruments by which the ends of administration of justice are to be attained. According to the substantive law, it determines the content and relations of the parties inter se in respect of the matter litigated. In the case of procedural law, it regulates the content and relations of courts and litigants in respect of the litigations. According to substantive law, it relates to matters outside the courts. But in the case of procedural law, it regulates the affairs inside the courts. In the case of substantive law, it defines the rights and remedy. But in the case of procedural law, it governs the institution and prosecution of civil and criminal proceedings. According to substantive law, what facts constitute a wrong is determined by substantive law. In the case of procedural law, what facts constitute proof of a wrong is a question of procedure. According to substantive law, whether an offence is punishable by fine or by imprisonment is a question of substantive law. And in the case of procedural law, whether an offence is punishable summarily or only on indictment is a question of procedure. In the case of substantive law, the elements of substantive law rules of rights. And in the case of procedural law, the normal elements of procedure are summons, pleading, proof, judgment and execution. These are the 5 elements of procedure in a procedural law. Thank you all for watching this lecture class. In our next class, we will discuss section 1 to 5 of the Indian Penal Code. Thank you all.